So here goes my ingredient for aloo tikki for Navratra fast. Here goes aloo. I have used 2 alus. So I have already mashed it. Some ginger, red chili powder, salt, senda namak. Then I have peanut powder over here. So I have roasted it with some oil and then I have grinded it into a sort of powder. Then here I have singhade ka atta. So you can get it at any Indian store. So this is my mom's recipe. She used to make it and we used to eat like a lot. So let's get started. I just need to mix this atta along with this because we'll not be using much atta. We just need some atta just for winding. So here goes around 2 teaspoons of atta. Here goes peanut, some salt, some ginger, some red chili powder. So I'm just using my hand to mix this. So let's make balls out of it. So I have mixed everything well. So it's totally your wish. If you want to deep fry it, I'll be shallow frying it. And if you think the aloo is sticky, you want to add more atta to it, you can add it. So, and you can use any atta, whatever goes in a vrat. And how we can get best tikki is, boil aloo at night or, 1 day before and keep it in a fridge. So when it's hard, it will be really easy to make tikkis out of it. So let me complete this tikki making balls out of it. Then we will start shallow frying our tikkis. So oil is already heated up over here. So let's drop our tikkis into it. Be careful. So it's a shallow frying. So I have used around 4 tablespoons of oil over here. Here goes all the tikkis. I'll give some 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then we'll be turning the side and make it on medium heat. So here I have turned the sides. So turn the sides slowly. So I gave it like just 2 minutes. So you can use the spatula, whatever you have in your hand, and just press it well. So it's cooked fully. Just press this way. Press this way. I'm just gonna take this out. So we have to cook this way, and you will get the awesome tikki, and you can have this in vrat. You don't have to crave for tikkis or something. You can have this with chutney, tamarind chutney, tamarind date chutney. It goes well with that. I just have with curd because I don't eat chutneys in vrat. Look at this. So here the tikkis are out, and look, isn't it crispy? So you don't have to crave for anything in vrat. You can make this tikki and it really tastes awesome. You can have it any sort of chutney, dahi, and leave me comments, leave me suggestions, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe on our channel to know more videos. And again, Jai Mata Di guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.